It's hard not to be amazed by this fantastic innovation. Tesla's innovative new framework design is one step closer to series production. The first Model Y megacasting has come out of the enormous Tesla Gigapress at Gigafactory, Texas. Tesla will combine front and rear megacasting with its new structural battery pack to form the underbody of the Model Y. The current automobile frame comprises tens or hundreds of individual parts made of many different materials and must be connected together in several different ways: welds, bolts, and adhesives. Tesla's plan is to use two substantial single castings for the front and rear underbody sections and connect them with a battery pack that serves as part of the body structure. This innovation decreases weight and greatly simplifies vehicle assembly. Cast components are a staple of auto manufacturing, but the norm is to cast smaller parts, which are then assembled into more prominent structural elements. Elon Musk tells the story. He was considering a die-cast toy car on his desk one day and wondered what the practical size limit for casting would be. After some research, he learned that there really is no size limit and decided to fabricate the front and rear underbodies of a vehicle as two massive castings with giant machines made by Idra Group. The Gigapress appeared in the news recently when the Tesla's factory in Fremont, California was largely spared from a fire at the facility. An essential piece of equipment was damaged to some extent in the incident. The Fremont Fire Department says the smoky blaze happened after hydraulic fluid and molten aluminum were used in a die-casting press installed at the factory. Tesla currently uses it to design the rear underbody of the Model Y SUV as a single piece that displaces 70 parts used in the previous, more conventional process. Elon Musk proved the long-term goal is to cast its vehicles like toy cars to speed up production and reduce costs. Tesla also employs the technology at its Shanghai, China facility and plans to have it in its upcoming Berlin factory. Automotive manufacturing consultant Sandy Munro, who has disassembled the Model Y and recently sat down with Musk to discuss the vehicle, shared that there's no production without that press. Munro also shared that the press works under tremendous pressure and can fill the mold with aluminum in milliseconds. When I purchased a machine like this, I would have two backup sets of these critical spare parts.